Hey guys, here I am again, your handsome 8-track repairman, Barry's 8-track repair. And this time we're demonstrating a radio, an AM 8-track out of a 69 Mustang Fastback. It's now an AM/FM 8-track with the USB feature and an aux input. Let me make sure I installed that. Yes, I did. And this comes from Tom and Julie in New London, Iowa. And so thank you very much for your business from probably more than halfway across the country. And so we've got the FM conversion going on here, plus a USB feature. And since this customer requested a new harness in place of the original connectors, this is now a 4-speaker radio, meaning not only do we have the original left-right balance control, now we also have a virtual front-rear fader. And we're gonna cover all that in this video. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area.
You'll find it at Finley.
Find it at Finley Toyota in Prescott and at finleytoyotaprescott.com.
Offers OAC through 2/3/25.
Okay. Left, right balance. All the way left. All the way right.
If you believe in quality,
All the way left.
health, deliciousness,
Right.
and exceptional
Okay,
service
center.
while truly supporting small business in a beautiful
Okay.
place.
And now we're going to adjust our
feels
virtual
like
front
home.
rear fader.
Then join us at Rafter 11 for food, family, and fun. The perfect fader adjust.
Okay.
Life.
All the way
Rafter
front.
11, 2985 Center Court
Front.
in the heart
Rear.
of Prescott Valley.
Okay, center them.
Where?
Fader set.
Fader set. Alrighty. Let's move over to FM, which if your radio does not have an AM/FM switch, we switch bands by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Give them many things, for instance, without an if.
When I can feel
Things that they carried around.
Okay, let's make sure the USB plays my radio commercial stored on a stick.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Never say goodbye.
It's worth the living, so get your kids. Steve Wood, lady to old King Paul.
Okay. Pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light works. You can see it flashing on and off through those buttons there in response to my command. So we're good to go here, and I've already had breakfast, so I guess I'm ready to work on the next video. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print a work order off the home page of that website before calling me with questions. The work order has all my options, all my prices, including options for turnaround time. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on each new customer, which I really need to be on the bench where the work actually gets done, so that so minimizing the phone conversation is pretty important. I'm perfectly happy to talk to you after you have my work order in your hand and you already know my prices, options, and turn time. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Tom and Julie, for your business all the way from New London, Iowa, and we'll see you guys next time.